Is there a leak in your roof? Give Water Out Now a call. Water Out Now has been helping homeowners for over 7 years. Our solutions are safe without the risk of side effects. Water Out Now employs only experienced and professional technicians. Is your roof leaking? Call Water Out Now first. At Water Out Now, we know water can be very frustrating. We want to help. Give us a call anytime 24/7 at 844-420-6881. Don't let another minute go by. Water damage can be devastating. Let's get started now. Call 844-420-6881.